In a bright classroom, the teacher walks in with a big smile.
Good morning, teacher!
Good morning, class. Who saw the sun this morning?
I did! It was so bright! It was very hot!
Wonderful! Today, we are learning about the amazing sun. Is the sun a planet?
No!
It is a star. Excellent! The sun is a star, the closest star to the Earth. The sun gives us light and heat. Without it, our world would be dark and cold.
So the sun helps us live?
Exactly. The sun supports all life on Earth.
Teacher, during the day we see the sun, but at night it disappears. Why?
Great question. The sun does not disappear. It is always shining.
Then why can't we see it?
Because the Earth moves.
The Earth moves? How?
The Earth spins around itself. This is called rotation. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. The Earth takes 24 hours, that is 1 day, to complete one turn. Rotation causes day and night.
Oh!
When our side of the Earth faces the sun, it is daytime. When our side turns away from the sun, it becomes nighttime.
So we are the ones moving, not the sun.
Exactly.
The sun has risen. Teacher, where does the sun rise?
That's a great question. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Does it ever change? No, it always rises in the east and sets in the west.
But why?
Because the Earth rotates from west to east. So the sun only appears to move from east to west. When our part of the Earth turns toward the sun, it looks like the sun is rising. When we turn away, it looks like the sun is setting.
That is so interesting. Teacher, does the Earth only rotate?
Excellent question. No, it also moves around the sun. That movement is called revolution. Revolution is the movement of the Earth around the sun. It takes 365 days, or 1 year. Revolution also causes seasons.
So rotation causes day and night. And revolution causes seasons?
Perfect answer! I have a question for you. Do you know how people find directions?
Maybe using a map or using a phone?
Excellent ideas. Let's explore that. But there is a special tool used to find directions. It is called a compass. A compass helps us find directions on the Earth. A compass shows us 4 main directions. They are north, south, east, west. Can we say them together?
North, east, south, west.
Excellent! Teacher, how does the compass know the direction? Inside the compass is a small needle. The needle can spin freely, but it always points to the north.
Even if we turn the compass?
Yes! Even if we turn the compass, the needle will still point to north. That helps us find all the other directions. To use a compass, follow these steps. Hold the compass flat in your palm. Turn your body slowly while keeping the compass in front of you. Stop when the needle points to north. Now you are facing north.
Wow, that is easy.
Now spread your arms like this. If you are facing north, your right hand points to the east. South is behind you.
Now I understand.
Excellent. Teacher, how can we remember the directions? Great question. There is a fun sentence to remember them. Never eat slimy worms. N means never, E means eat, S means slimy, W means worms.
Never eat slimy worms!
Great job. Teacher, what if we don't have a compass? Great question. We can also use the sun to find directions. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. If you go outside and point your right hand toward the rising sun, your right hand points east, your left hand points west. North is in front of you, south is behind you.
So the sun helps us know the directions.
Exactly. In the afternoon, the sun is in the west. If you point your left hand toward the sun, your left hand points west, your right hand points east. North is in front of you, south is behind you.
The sun is like a natural compass.
That's right. Now let's think together. If you are facing the sun during sunset and you stretch out your arms, where will your left hand point?
So we are facing west. That means the left hand points south.
Exactly. Today we learned that
A compass helps us find our way.
the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We can also use the sun to find directions. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
See you in the next science lesson.